Let me tell you a story about birds. In fact, let's look at one bird, the barn swallow. You may know it. It's the one that builds its nest under the roofs of village houses, farmhouses, and barns. Bird populations, such as swallows, give us a good indication of how well our environment is doing. And how is it doing? Well, the fact is, it's not doing so great. Bird life is in decline. Industrial agriculture is changing our landscape and killing insect life, an essential food source for birds. And this helps explain the 30% reduction in the swallow population over the last decade. As we speak, Spain is losing about 500,000 swallows each year. But we can change this by choosing to buy more organically grown food and supporting farmers who farm in a biodiversity-friendly and sustainable way. Agroecological practices such as organic offer a wide range of pest control solutions. It's not just pulling the pesticide trigger. This is why organic farms are teeming with wildlife and offer birds both nourishment and a place to nest. In return, birds can help farmers control pests naturally. Love nature? Choose local, seasonal, and organic.